You may find it easier to assemble this chair with the help of a friend. Begin by inserting two 1 7/8 inch bolts through the pre-drilled holes in the front right leg. Attach the leg to the seat with two nuts and two washers. Tighten with the drill and 7/16 inch wrench as shown. Use this same method to attach the back right leg. Connect the right arm to the front right leg using one 2 1/4 inch bolt with one nut and one washer. Repeat this step to assemble and attach the left side frame. Attach the left side brace to the front left leg using two 2 1/4 inch bolts with two nuts and two washers, as shown. Connect the back brace to the left side brace and insert one 3-inch screw through the leg. Fit the back piece between the side frames and insert one 2-inch screw through the left side of the seat and one 3-inch screw through the left side frame. Repeat this step to secure the right side of the chair. Place the footrest on top of the side braces. Insert one 2-inch screw through the right side. Fit the stretchers between the legs as shown and insert four 2-inch screws. Repeat this step to secure the left side. If you have any questions or need any additional support, please feel free to contact us.